Alright everyone, so today we're going to learn how to solve a system of equation by using the elimination method. Now just like in the substitution method and the graphing method, our ultimate goal is to find x equals and y equals. Okay, so that being said, something a little different about the elimination method is we're basically going to be looking at the x terms like this and the y terms, and we're looking to see if there is anything we can eliminate right from the get-go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. So looking at our work, if you look from top to bottom, so from top to bottom, is there anything we can eliminate right away if we were to add them? The x's, hopefully you noticed that. So I'm gonna go ahead, just use a different color, and I'm gonna add. Okay, 2x plus negative 2x is 0x, which actually we don't even have to write it. But 3y plus 2y is 5y. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now you see how we eliminated the x's just by adding them up? They're gone. So now we're left with 5y equals 15. Let's go ahead and divide by 5 to both sides, and we know y equals 3. And now that we know y equals 3, let's go ahead and plug it into any of the two equations in the system to find x. I'll use a different color. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it into that problem there, that equation, and I'm going to rewrite the whole thing. 2x plus 3y equals 10. I'm going to plug in my y equals 3. So 2x plus 3, instead of y, I'm going to write 3 equals 10. 2x plus 9 equals 10. Minus 9 is 0. Minus 9 is 1. So 2x equals 1. X equals 1/2. And our answer here will be 1/2, comma 3. And that's the elimination method. Remember, the first thing you do is you pick what are you going to eliminate first. Are you going to eliminate the x's or the y's? And once you figure out which one you're going to eliminate, when you add them from top to bottom, then you just clean it up from there. Hopefully this was helpful. See you next time. Peace.